Firstly, my name's Aaron Costello, as the name badge says.
I'm Joda. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jordan. Just a few questions there. I know you've been flirting with the idea of coming to the gym and fitness in general. So as you can see, we're doing a consultation from Jodie's home. Just a few questions if you don't mind. This is actually going to be recorded as well.
Okay.
Is that fine, yeah?
That's fine, yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. We'll start with the first name, Joda. Surname,
Guy.
Guy. Date of birth,
22nd of January 98.
yeah. Do you know your current weight? If not, we've got scales there, we can weigh.
70 kg.
70 kg. Perfect. What about your height? Do you know your current height?
5'7".
Okay. And female. I know it's a bit of an awkward question, but we have to ask is what do you class yourself as? Female, male?
Female.
Yeah, I thought so. Have a contact number.
07517
Yeah.
871
Yeah.
558.
Yeah. It's email. We don't need to really get the email. It's optional. Do you want to give your email?
No, thank you. You can just contact me on my number.
And now it's just a few assessments that we like to do when we first meet somebody. It's just a couple of things like your resting heart rate, your BMI, and a waist to hip ratio if you don't mind. For the first one we're going to try, we'll go with the resting heart rate. And how we do that is nice and simple. There's no equipment, nothing extravagant. Just two of my fingers on the back of your wrist, counting how many beats per minute. Fairly simple. We'll start, give it 5 seconds. There we go. It's a bit of an awkward one.
I actually feel quite comfortable.
30 more seconds. The timer. It's alright, we've got a timer on that. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. 72. Actually, the guideline is actually fairly good. It says on average between 60 and 100. So we're okay there.
Thank you.
Now the BMI. For the BMI, we like to use something there's actually NHS app that we actually use. I could show you it there. Easily accessible from every app store, and it's free. Best part about it. So what we do is we put your weight in. So you said your weight was 70 kilograms, if I'm correct.
Is that the NHS app?
Yeah. Actually decent. And what your height was 5 foot. We didn't cover your height actually, did we? 5'7".
Yeah.
Yeah, 5'7". So what we do is we times your weight by your height. And okay, it's coming up a reading of 23.1. Underweight would have been 18.5. Obese would have been 25 to 29.9. So we're actually somewhere between the normal weight. It's a nice and accessible way to find your BMI. So 23.1. And now I've actually got another one. It's a waist to hip ratio. So what we do is we go from the smallest point of your waist to the other side of your waist. Then the second part, we go from the smallest point of your waist to the biggest part of your hips. So it's actually fairly easy. That's another one as well that I like to do from the phone. Free again from the App Store. So what we actually do is, one second. It's an app. Just use it like this, and it shows you loads of different ways you can measure things.
Okay.
And as you can see, there's actually a person's section to it. So if you want to stand up and just lift your t-shirt up a little bit so I can get to your waist, that's it. Yeah, just what we do is you start from there. And the next one, we're actually going to go from there to the biggest part of your hips, to the widest part of your hips, shall I say. The same place again. That's it. Yeah. That's perfect. It actually goes a reading of 75, so I can get closer. 75 for the waist and 95. So what we do then, we actually divide these two numbers, and that gives us a reading of your waist to hips ratio.
Okay.
And your ratio is currently 75 divided by 75 divided by 95. You actually get a ratio of